to another vlog. Hi Diane, Nash. Andito kami ngayon sa Azure. Yes, we're spending our long weekend here. So ngayon nilintay pa namin yung mag-a-assist namin. Alright guys, kababa na tayo and we're about to enter the lobby now of the Rio Tower. So, nandito na tayo sa loob ng room, guys. Okay. Thank you. Alright, guys. So, let's do a room tour for you. So, yan, wait lang. So, here is the door to our room. Ayan, 1504. And once you open the door, yan, may mirror sa side, then couch, the bed, and on this right side, ayan, CR. Clean. Hey guys. Alright, close muna natin na. Yan, on the left side, mirror again. Ayan. Tapos, once you pass by the CR, and today at kitchen. Niluto ang Nash yung kasama. Nag-grocery na rin kami kanina. Bibi. So, refrigerator, microwave, sobrang complete na talaga siya, guys. Tapos, pwede na rin magdala ng food. So, perfect talaga siya. And then, may dining table. Yan, pagkakain. Sobrang dumi lang. Tapos, may sliding door para hindi lumabas yung mga Nash. Tapos, may flat screen TV, of course. Tapos, bed. Aircon, syempre. So, yan sila. Yan. And the view, guys. This is our view! Yan, beach view. That's the man-made beach na tinatawag nila. Tapos yun yung pool. Yung parang malaking pool. Then, kung nakikita nyo yun, that's what they call the lap pool. Yan, yun yung lap pool. Yan. Zoom natin. Yan. Yan. Yun yung lap pool. And this is the humongous pool. And this is the beach pool. Ayan. Tapos may playground doon and bar. That is where Paris did her event nung nagpunta siya dito sa Manila. And this is the overview of the hotel resort. Yan. As you can see, yun yung SM. City view over there and yung expressway. Alright, so mag-aayos muna kami ng gamit, guys, and I will talk to you later again. Yay! Ready na kami for swimming! We're already wearing our swimsuits. Yes!
Nakakasilaw.
Rio Tower. So, it's currently, ano ang oras na? 4?
4. Ay, 3:40 na.
Ayan, 4 na ng hapon pero so mag-iin pa din.
Makakapag ko yung mga ground floor lang.
Saan muna tayo?
Rio.
Hindi, sa pool. Sa beach?
Kaliwa.
Kaliwa?
Ito yung isang daan papunta rin. Ayun,
Ito yung isang daan natin.
Tara, may pamilya.
Babaw lang kasi dito.
We sneak out of peanut kasi bawal yung pool piso. So, we need this visitor pass para makapasok kami sa pool area. Box office ang pila for registration. Ay, kasama. Salamat po. Okay, so may pwesto na tayo, guys. Yan, meron kaming chair dito. Dito muna kami stay sa beach. Baby. Yan. Picture. ayun yung wave pool.
Gamit natin.
So, siguro dun pwede lagay yung gamit.
Ito yung towel na lang para na may towel.
Iniwan namin sila EJ dun sa pwesto namin para mag-photoshoot. Saan ka? Wait lang guys, mag-photoshoot lang kami. Bilisan mo sis. Muulan na. Oh, the best yung wave pool guys. Ayan, so dito muna kami papeso sa may payo para ma-cover yung gamit namin. Kita payang ha? Eh. So yung wave pool parang nag-last lang siya ng 10 minutes kay sobra. Kakabitin. Only rides. Only rides to. So we're about to go to the lap pool pero lakas ng ulan guys. Sobra. Medyo nababasa yung camera ko but for the sake of this vlog, yeah. It's raining. Woo. Ayun, so tsaka malulobot yung camera ko guys. I'll just talk to you later once makabalik na kami sa room. Charge ko muna siya. Bye! Nakapagbanlaw na kami kasi we're not allowed to go inside the building ng basa. Kaya they suggested na magbanlaw na kami dito sa loob ng so medyo tumidilim na guys and I'm using my phone to film this video kasi low-bat na yung camera. It's time for dinner!
Daming gutom eh.
Ayan. Ito yung dinner namin. Ito manok and lempo. Bata kami sa rooftop. Oops. Ang ganda ng view dito guys. So that is the pool area and I can see from here yung unit namin. Ayun, 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 ayun. So that side is the pool area side and this side is the city side. I'm gonna show you guys. Ang ganda. Yeah, Manila skyline. Oh, so pretty. Baby! Ganda dito. Gusto ko yung mga ganitong view, yung mga ano, matataas. So peaceful. Especially pag night. Ayan. Ganda dito. Oh, dali sample mo sila. Dayan. Sige na! But isang ikot lang. Go! Go, Dayan. Go, Dayan. Hey! Woo! Ako naman, ako naman, ako naman. Ako naman. We're back in our room. Cheers! Cheers! Oh, cheers! Sabi mo sa kanya, first runner-up ka saan?
Sa bikini open.
Oh, taray! Kaya ano eh, lakas sa loob mag-swimsuit eh.
Oh. Hindi, third runner up lang ata. Binawi. I-delete mo yun.
Oh, alak pa!
Lalapin ko muna, baka mali yung test ko eh.
Okay, so, eto po siya, nasumali siya ng oh! Oh! Pak! Neneng-nene! Diana Char from Taytay Rizal! Good morning guys! So, it's already our second day here at Azure Beach Club and yeah, we just had our breakfast kanina and hindi lang kami nag-swimming for today kasi we have to pack up early because we're going to the Tagaytay later. Tapos, yeah, medyo nag-shoot na din ako ng mga ibang products for my second job and that is Relumens. So, yeah. Off to Tagaytay! At Dreamland guys, they have here lots of vintage stuff like dream catchers, tsaka yung mga sakto yung look mo dito ba? Kailangan pa namin maghintay kasi wala kami reservation. Cute niyan, magkano? Never give up, never give up. Ang daming dream catcher. Puro pati nakikita ko. Our food is here. So I got bangus, DJ's got pork, silog. Let's eat. Grabe, ang tagal na namin hinintay ito.
Nasidaya pala dito.
Eat. Hey guys! So, ano ba? Change outfit ako kasi dapat pupunta kami sa Sky Ranch kaso umuulan after namin sa Dreamland. Ayun, back out kami. Bababa na lang kami dito sa Nuvali. At dito, sobrang init. Sobrang init. Grabe yung araw, tirik. Yung may bazaar. Alam, ang cute, baby pa. One. Cute. Hi.